This Faceless YouTube automation channel made over $4,500 in the last 30 days. This channel made over $17,000 in the last month. And this channel made over $25,000. You could be making 6 figures a year from your YouTube channel without ever showing your face, recording a single thing, or needing any skills. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a successful Faceless YouTube automation channel using only free AI tools. Step 1. Pick a niche. This decides how your channel turns out. A strong niche keeps viewers watching and gives you ideas that last. Self-improvement topics work well since people are always looking for ways to get better. Mindfulness, productivity, and life hacks bring in regular viewers. To decide on a niche, head over to YouTube. In the search bar, type a simple phrase like productivity tips into the search bar and press enter. See what shows up. Now, sort by views. Click the filter button near the top, pick sort by view count, and watch the top videos pop up. Look for ones with 500,000 views or more. Those prove what people like. Write down 2 or 3 niches that stand out. Productivity might grab you with its big numbers. Mindfulness and meditation could feel right if you lean that way. Maybe life hacks seem worth a shot because these videos are everywhere. Choose one you can stick with that already has viewers. This keeps your content steady and helps people find your videos down the road. Once you've got it, lock it in, and keep going. Step 2. Set up your YouTube channel. Your channel needs to look real, even with no budget. Start with a name, head back to YouTube and search your niche again, like productivity tips. Find a channel with plenty of subscribers and views. Here's one I found. Look at their name. Short, sharp, and unique ones catch attention. Copy this name. Now go to ChatGPT and in the prompt box, enter a prompt like this. Swap productivity for your niche if it's different and enter the example channel name that stands out to you. ChatGPT hands you 10 new names in seconds. Pick one that matches your niche or come up with your own based on these suggestions. I'll go for the name Done Finally. Now make the channel. Back on YouTube, click your profile picture in the top right corner. A menu drops down. Click View All Channels. Then, Create New Channel on the next page. Click the name field and type in your chosen name. Below that, add a handle, your unique tag like Done Finally 123. Double-check both fields to make sure they're correct. Then click Create Channel at the bottom. Your channel's live now, but it looks quite empty, so we need to add to it. Step 3. Brand your channel. Start with a profile picture. Head over to Canva using the link in the description. Sign up for a free account, log in, and then search for YouTube logo templates. Pick any template you like the look of. I'll go for this one. Click on Customize Template. Now, you can edit the logo as much as you want. You can change the fonts, add images from the Elements tab, and so on. For mine, I'm just going to change the text so that it says Done Finally, and change the font to League Spartan to make it easier to read. I'll adjust the size slightly and make sure that it's in the center. I'll change this dark yellow color to a slightly lighter and brighter yellow. This looks good to me. Once you've designed your logo, click on Share, Download, and then download your logo as a PNG file. Now, head back to YouTube. Click Customize Channel from your profile menu. On the new page, click Branding. Find Profile Picture, click Upload, select your saved image, and hit Open. Move it around if it asks, then click Done. It's locked in. Now, you need to add a description to help people find you. Go back to ChatGPT and give a prompt like this, adjusted to your niche. Hit Enter. Read it to make sure it fits your channel. When you're happy, copy the description, go to your YouTube Customize Channel page, click Basic Info, find the description box, paste the text, and hit Save. This ties your channel to searches for those terms. The last thing we need is a banner. Go back to Canva, search for YouTube banner templates, and pick one that you like. I'm going to use this one. I'll change the background color to black and the writing to the same yellow as the logo. I'll use League Spartan for the font again. I can write, Be More Productive. It's to the point and uses the main keyword. You don't need to complicate it, but of course, you can add as much detail as you want. This works for me. I'll download the image. Back on YouTube, under Customize Channel and Branding, click Banner, then Upload. Select your file, hit Open, adjust it to fit the frame, and click Publish. Your channel's ready to go now. Step 4. Find viral video topics. Your videos won't randomly go viral. You need to research what's already working and go from there. Go to a popular channel in your niche on YouTube. I'll stick with this one. Click their Videos tab and then click the Popular filter. Look for videos with 1 million views or higher. Those are the ones to study. Pick one that seems strong. Here's a good video idea I found with over 1 million views. Copy the title. Now, back in ChatGPT, give a prompt like this. Change the title and niche to what you're doing. You'll get 5 new ideas. Read them one by one. Some might feel too close to the original. Others could spark something fresh. Choose one that's doable and suits your viewers. I'll go with the title, How to Trick Your Brain into Actually Wanting to Work. Step 5. Write a script. Go to ChatGPT and give a prompt like this. ChatGPT will start writing right away. You can ask for adjustments if you like. Or if you're happy with most of it, copy and paste what ChatGPT generated into a Google Doc. Go through it carefully, line by line, and make your own edits. I always recommend adding your own personal touches. It's completely optional, but it's good to get a feel of it all yourself, especially when you're starting out. Step 6. Generate a voiceover. Head over to 11 Labs using the link in the description. Sign up for a free account and log in. On the left, click Voices, then click on Add a new voice. Select Voice Design. In the box, type in the kind of voice that you think would suit your channel best. For my example, I'd type in something like, create a male, American, steady and motivating voice for narration. In the text preview box, type in anything over 100 characters. This is what I'll type in. Then click on Generate Voice. You'll have 3 options. Listen to them all.
Did you know that you're wired to be lazy? Your brain and body naturally want you to go for the easiest.
Did you know that you're wired to be lazy? Your brain and body naturally want you to...
Did you know that you're wired to be lazy? Your brain and body naturally want you to go for the easiest, safest option.
Then, pick the best one and click on Select Voice. I can name it something like Done Finally Narrator. I'll set it to English and then save the voice. Now, click on Text to Speech. Paste your script into the big text box. Select your new voice from the drop-down. Click Generate Speech. After a few seconds, listen to the audio.
How to trick your brain into actually wanting to work. We all know the feeling. The dread, the procrastination, the I'll do it tomorrow mindset that often plagues us when we have to start working on something.
You can change the settings, like speeding it up a little if you need to. When it sounds smooth, click the download button and save it to your computer. Step 7. Create visuals. For this, we're going to use Leonardo AI, which is the best free AI image generator around right now. Sign up for a free account using the link in the description. Once you're logged in, click on Image Creation. Now, go back to ChatGPT and give a prompt like this. Take the first image generation prompt that ChatGPT gives, then go back to Leonardo AI. In the box, paste in the prompt. Set the preset to Phoenix 1.0. Change dimensions to 16 by 9 for widescreen. Now, hit Generate. Wait a moment. A few image options will come. Pick the best one and download it, or adjust your prompt. Do this for all of the image generation prompts so that you have a bunch of images ready to go. Step 8. Edit. I recommend using CapCut for this because it's free and beginner-friendly. Once you've set it up, click on Create New Project. An upload box opens. Click it, find your voiceover and images on your computer, select them all, and hit Open. They load into the editor. Drag the voiceover to the audio timeline at the bottom, then drag your first image to the video timeline above it. Stretch it by clicking the edge and pulling until it matches the script's first part. Add the next image right after. Keep going, lining up each image with the audio until they're all in place. Smooth the switches with transitions. Click Transitions in the top left. Find Glare in the list. Drag it between your first 2 clips. It adds a quick fade. Click Apply to All to use it across the video. Now add an effect. Click Effects at the top, search Noise 2, drag it to the timeline, and stretch it to cover everything. It adds a faint layer that keeps it interesting. You can also add captions. Click Text and then Auto Captions. Pick your language, like English, and hit Generate. Words will show up synced to the voice. Set the font to bold and color to white. Check that they're easy to read. If they're off, redo it or adjust the audio timing. Click Export in the top right. Set resolution to 1080 pixels, FPS to 60, and download. Your video's ready to go. Step 9. Upload and monetize. Now, upload your YouTube video to your YouTube channel. While the video processes, write your title, description, and tags. I recommend using VidIQ for this because it does all of the research for you. Use the link in the description to sign up for a free account, and then link your YouTube account to VidIQ. In the keywords section, search for words relating to your video. For example, I can look up productivity and trick your brain to see what comes up. I'll use the keywords with the best scores in my title, description, and tags. For the YouTube thumbnail, I can just upload my best Leonardo AI image. Just before I upload the video, I want to add something to the description to monetize this. You don't have to wait to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to make money from YouTube ad revenue. I'm actually going to add an affiliate link to my description. I'll be using my Amazon Associates account for this. If you don't have one, go ahead and sign up to be an Amazon Associate. Once you're approved, search for your niche on Amazon. This Pomodoro timer looks good and is helpful. I can grab the affiliate link from up here as an Amazon Associate. Now, I'll go back to my YouTube listing. In the description, I'll just add this at the top. Once everything looks good, I can go ahead and publish the video. Repeat this entire process and grow your channel. Over time, you'll be able to make money not just from affiliate marketing, but also from YouTube ad revenue. What's crazy is that you don't have to pay a single cent to have this entire business up and running. If you have any questions about YouTube automation, I made a community where I personally answer your questions and guide you step by step to make your first $1,000 online. When you join AI Income Friends today, you'll get access to ready-made templates, tools, and cheat sheets to speed up your progress. Click the first link in the description for instant access to everything. Will you be trying this process out? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.